Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by removing the emergency key and placing the fob on a soft towel. This prevents scratches. Once done, insert a small flathead into the notch and apply steady, controlled pressure to pry the housing open. Don't force it. Make sure you keep fingers clear of the plastic tabs while separating halves. You are doing this to access the battery and circuit board, so work slowly to avoid breaking clips and set the removed parts in order on the towel. Once the housing is open, carefully lift the circuit board out of its clips. You are protecting fragile components and any ribbon connectors. Make sure to note battery orientation, positive face up or down, so you can replace it correctly. Check the board for corrosion, lifted pads, or cracked solder joints. These are common failure points. If you see buildup, clean contacts with isopropyl and a cotton swab. Make sure to avoid touching the antenna traces and transponder chip while you work. To finish, reseat the circuit board and battery exactly as you removed them, then align the housing halves and press firmly until clips engage. Listen for the clicks. Once assembled, test lock, unlock, and remote start if available. If it responds, you're done. If it doesn't, make sure battery is fresh and properly seated, and clean contact pads again. If problems persist, try a replacement battery, inspect for damaged components, and as a last resort,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.